What's up guys? In this video, I will share my analysis on gold. Okay? So, yun. I will try myself to make this video as educational as much as possible. Okay? So, yun. Let's go. Let's dive in dito sa chart ko. Okay? Okay, starting from the monthly time frame. So, tingnan muna natin kung anong nangyari dito, no? Especially dito. Okay? So, kung makikita natin, from here is nagkaroon ng bullish run. And then after that, after expansion na yan, nagkaroon dito ng some sort of retracement. Okay? Well, actually, nagkaroon dito ng ranging move lang, ano? Okay? So, yung market dito is nagbabounce lang from this demand zone and this supply zone, no? And what happened here next is, ayan, kumikita natin, nagkaroon dito ng breakout. Okay, so na-break itong supply zone na yan. After breaking this supply zone, so nagkaroon pa siya rito ng some sort of retest and then nagkaroon na siya ng bullish run. Okay, so very clear na yung market dito is bullish talaga, no? Uptrend talaga ang market dito. Okay? And then, what happened here right now, okay, dito sa taas, kung makikita natin, puro rejection, no? Ayan, no? Puro rejection candles yung nandito, which gives me a consideration for the possible valid swing high. Okay? So, since ito yung nakikitaan ko mga rejection na yan, so I will consider this as a possible valid swing high ko. Okay? And kung titingnan naman natin yung swing low ko rito, ito, makita natin saan ba nanggaling ang bullish run na ito. Okay? So, dito siya nanggaling, ano, sa ilalim na to. Which, ito yung nag-cause, no? Itong swing low na to na nag-cause to break this structural zone na yan. Okay? So, for me, ito yung swing low. Well, pwede naman din ito. Pwede naman i-consider itong swing low na yan. Okay? But, ang tinitingnan ko kasi dito is yung nag-cause talaga ng structural break sa previous, yun nga, previous zone. Okay? So for me, ito yung swing low ko and ito yung swing high ko. No? So very clear na yung market dito is bullish. Clearly na uptrend pa rin talaga ang market. But as we can see, since uptrend nga ang market, syempre ang market is hindi naman yan tuloy-tuloy na nag-run lang towards upside, nag-run lang towards the downside, 'di ba? So there's always a pullback. Okay? So 'di ba nga expansion, then after expansion possibly magkaroon yan ng pullback or retracement. Okay? And kung makikita natin dito is ayan, puro rejection yung nangyayari dito ngayon, no? Okay, so kung titingnan naman natin, okay, so market structure is bullish. Alright, so kung titingnan natin yung key levels, okay, so focus tayo rito, no? What happened here is, ayan, kung makikita natin from this candle na to, itong monthly candle na yan, okay, kung makikita natin, ito yung pinaka highest price niya, no? And ayan, kung makikita natin, binrake niya lang itong swing high na yan, then after that is nagkaroon talaga ng massive rejection, no? Okay? So ang nangyari dito is, ayan, nagkaroon dito ng strong bounce sa support level na yan, no? And what happened next is at the end of this month, okay, so nagkaroon siya ng strong rejection, no, after reading this high. And then for this monthly candle nito, so nag-open ang monthly candle na to dito. Okay, medyo indecisive ang itong monthly candle na to, no, which is this month, no. Nag-open siya rito and then nag-close din yung monthly candle na to kung saan nag-open siya, no. So medyo indecisive talaga yung nangyari this month, no? This month of June. Okay, so umangat nung nag-open yung monthly candle nito, umangat and then bumagsak, but at the end of the monthly trading session na to is doon pa rin talaga siya nag-close, no, kung saan nag-open itong monthly candle na to. Okay? Pero yung tinitingnan natin, ang tinitingnan ko rito na possible key zone, ang key level ko rito is ito, no. Ito yung tinitingnan ko na pinakamalapit na support key level, no. And itong nasa ilalim, which is itong fresh well actually ito is fresh support level din siya, no. Okay? So, ayun, possibly there's a chance talaga na i-retest itong support key level na to or even this level. Okay? So, ayun, from the monthly time frame, ang view ko rito is bearish for the possible retracement or pullback. Okay, so going down to weekly time frame, so what do we see here? Ayan, so makikita natin yung price is still playing in this area. Okay, kung kukunin ulit natin yung swing points nito. Okay, so saan ba nanggaling ang bullish run na to? So dito siya nanggaling, ano? After breaking this structural zone na to. Okay? So ito yung swing low ko rito. Okay, and then ang swing high ko is eto. Since dito nag-stop yung market after bullish run. Okay? So possibly yung market dito is mag-build up pa ito ng more corrective structure dito and potentially makitaan natin to ng possible drop, no, to give us a significant pullback from this range. Okay, ito yung swing high natin and ito yung swing low natin. So there's a possibility pa rin talaga na bigyan tayo rito ng significant pullback, no, from this range. Okay, so focus naman tayo dito to check kung ano yung pinakamalapit na key levels dito for the price na mag-react. Okay, so tingnan natin, i-zoom in natin. Okay, so ayan, kung makikita natin dito sa current candle na ito, itong weekly candle na yan. Okay, so makikita natin na nagkaroon siya dito ng strong rejection dito sa itong resistance level na yan, ano? So nagkaroon siya ng strong rejection dyan. Okay, and kung titingnan natin right now, yung market dito is actually nagkaroon din dito ng strong bounce sa support level na to, no? So after eto, kung makikita natin dito, okay, from this candle, so nung nag-end ang weekly session ng candle na to, okay, so nag-open siya dito. So anong ginawa is bumagsak muna yung market dito to test this support key level na yan, and then after mag-tap dyan sa support key level na yan is nag-bounce yung market. Grabe yung naging massive rejection niya dyan, no? And then what happened here is ayan, tinest niya itong support level, itong resistance level, which is ni-read niya pa nga yan, ano? And then after that, at the end of this weekly trading session na to, itong candle na to, is grabe yung naging massive rejection niya dyan. Okay, so potentially, so yung next key level na tinitingnan ko rito is yung support level, which is ito yung pinakamalapit na support key level. So potentially there's a chance talaga na i-test niya itong weekly support key level na yan. Okay, so yung pinakamalalim is ito na, no? Okay, so yung bias ko rito from the weekly time frame is naka-align pa rin talaga doon sa monthly view ko. Okay, so yung view ko rito sa weekly time frame is also bearish. Okay, so going down to daily time frame. Okay, so let's see kung ano bang nangyari dito. Okay, start tayo from this high. Okay, kasi kung makikita natin dito, ayan, no, kung makikita natin dito, actually nagkaroon nga dito ng failed structure, 'di ba? Ayan, starting from here, no. So nung nagkaroon dito ng bullish run, okay, printing this itong high na 'yan. Okay, after printing this high, sige, lagyan natin after printing this high, so nagkaroon dito ng rejection, no, nagkaroon ng retracement. Okay, nagkaroon ng retracement, then after that is nagkaroon ng another bullish run. Okay, attempting to break this previous high. Pero kung makikita natin, hindi nagkaroon dito ng body closure, no? Hindi talaga siya binrake, no? Kumbaga, nagkaroon lang dito ng fake out, and then after reading this high, bumalik yung market, no, below dito sa previous high na yan. Dito sa dito sa previous high na yan, no? Bumalik yung market sa ilalim. Okay? Which is grabe yung naging massive, grabe yung naging violent move ng market dito to the downside, no, after reading this high, no. So ayun, for me this is a failed high. Okay, so ayan, kung makikita natin after reading this high, ayun, nagkaroon ng movement to the downside, nagkaroon ng impulsive move, okay, expansion, and then nagkaroon ng retracement. Okay, and then nagkaroon ulit dito ng another expansion, then after that is retracement. Okay, and then right now is ay nagkaroon siya ng bearish move, no? Pero hindi pa natin nakikitaan ito. Hindi pa nabi-break itong swing low na yan. Okay, kung makikita natin, ayan, no, very clear yung order flow rito sa daily time frame, no. So ito yung high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then right now is yung market attempting to break this lower low, no. Pero let's see. Okay, so let's check yung support and resistance level dito, ano. So focus tayo rito. Okay, so kung makikita natin anong nangyari dito. Okay, kung makikita natin saan nagkaroon ng rejection, no. So which is dito, no, sa resistance level na yan, dito sa key level na yan. So grabe yung rejection niya, no, after i-test niya ito, no, after i-test itong resistance level na yan, no. So at the end of this session na to, itong candle na to is grabe, talagang bumalik siya sa loob, no. Talagang nagkaroon siya ng massive rejection from that resistance level. Okay? So nasaan ba rito yung pinakamalapit na support key level ko rito, which is ito. So ito yung tinitingnan ko na support key level for the price na i-test niya yan and eventually basagin itong structural zone na yan. Okay? For the market to continuously create an order flow. Okay? So yung order flow rito is bearish, 'di ba? Starting from here, no, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, and potentially magkaroon ito ng continuous move to the downside, no, just to create continuous order flow rito. Okay, and kung makikita naman natin, monthly, weekly structure is bearish, no. So dito rin is bearish din yung nakikita ko rito since nanggaling siya rito sa structural break dito, no, bearish structural break. So after breaking this structural zone, okay, so nagkaroon ng some sort of retracement and now the market dito is ayan, nagkaroon siya ng bearish run to the downside, no? Pero hindi pa natin nakikitaan ng structural break dito. So ito yung tinitingnan ko na next possible na mangyari, no? Basagin itong structural low na to. Structural swing low na yan, okay? So going down dito sa 4-hour time frame, which for me the best time frame to confirm if magkakaroon na ba ng reversal or hindi pa, na mag-a-align dun sa higher time frame bias ko, no, dun sa daily, weekly, and monthly. Okay? Para mas magkaroon ako dito ng early confirmation kung magkakaroon na ba talaga ng retracement dun sa bearish bias ko sa higher time frame. Okay? So yun. And ayan, kung makikita natin dito, napaka-clear yung naging rejection talaga ng price dito sa resistance level na yan, no? And kung titingnan natin, i-zoom natin yan, okay? So ayan, very clear, you know, yung price is nagkakaroon talaga dito ng some sort of rejection sa supply zone na yan. Okay, so possibly yung market dito is magkaroon ito ng possible down move pa talaga, no, just to test this support key level na yan. Okay, so yung mga possible scenario na mangyari dito is ito, tingnan natin. Kung titingnan natin, possibly na magkaroon ito ng potential up move, okay, just to expand pa itong possible corrective structure na ginagawa rito ng market. Okay, pero ito is napaka-clear naman din ng pattern na ito, no. So yung next possible move after completing this pattern na yan is obviously towards the downside, no, and there's a chance din naman talaga, no, na ma-magnetize yung price to the downside dahil may nakikita ko ditong inefficiency, no. And itong support key level na yan na possibly itest ni gold. Okay? And if ever naman, no, na mag-hold itong support key level na to, itong pinakamalapit na support key level, okay, if ever na hindi mabasag ito, no, and if ever na basagin ito, no, magkaroon ng valid breakout diyan sa high na yan, okay, so there's a possibility talaga na mag-shift yung market dito from bearish to bullish, okay, and possibly makitaan natin to ng bullish order flow if ever na magkaroon ng valid breakout dito, no. Alright, and possible din naman din talaga yan, no, possible din naman din talaga yan dahil may nakikita pa rin naman din ako ditong inefficiency na possible i-rebalance ni gold, no, before even na bumagsak ito. Possible na makitaan natin to ng bullish order flow dito sa internal structure na to, no. Possible ganyan. Okay? And after completing this expanding corrective structure na yan, possibly magkaroon talaga ng big drop dito si gold, no? And if ever naman na ito yung unang mabasag, okay, itong pinakamalapit na support key level na yan, so possibly is mag-continuous na ang price dito to the downside, no? And possible na i-break pa itong low na to, no? Which is naka-align pa rin dun talaga sa higher time frame bias natin, no? Higher time frame bias ko, which is daily, weekly, monthly, okay? So, yun. So, I think that's it for now, no? So, for the entry, so wait nyo na lang na magkaroon dito ng breakout. It's either dito or dito, no? So, if ever na magkaroon dito ng breakout, okay, ma-break itong support level na yan, itong pinakamalapit na support key level na yan, okay? So, just go down to lower time frame and wait for the retest ng zone na ito, no? And just look for your sell entry within this area. Okay, so I hope na makatulong tong video na to sa inyo guys para sa upcoming trades nyo dito kay gold. Okay, so yun lang. Good luck sa ating lahat. Peace.